Hey guys, so real quick I want to talk about these Lumastep. There's the M2 retractable running boards. It's a really nice kit. I do have an issue with it, a pretty big one, but overall it's, everything has been pretty nice. It's real heavy duty motors and brackets, all the hardware that you need. I mean, it's really nicely set up. I mean, it's got really nice high quality style connectors, like OEM style connectors. Everything seems really good. Here's my issue though, is the wiring. There's too much wiring, like length of wiring. Not too much total wiring, just the actual length of it. Look at some of the extra wire that I have. So this is, I'm not even sure which wire this is. This is just an extra length that doesn't need to be there. Look at this extra length. This connects the passenger and driver side power together, and there's the connector there in the middle, but each side is way too long, so we've got this huge section that's left over. Or maybe it's just the passenger side that's too long. Either way, I have all this I need to figure out what to do with. I've got the wires kind of loosely tied there on that harness just to kind of get it out of the way and see what I'm working with. On the driver's side, it's not too bad. There's a little bit of extra length on like this one wire, so that's not too bad. And then coming down to like where they connect to the headlights, it's a little bit, but it's not really that big a deal. This can all be zip tied and it'll look nice. Here's the real problem. When we come down to the motors, that's how much extra wire I have on the driver's side. It's got this kind of extra little crap here in case you don't have a lighting option, I guess, and that could be zip tied out of the way, but I do have some lighting options. So now I've got this extra piece here that just kind of, it's just nothing, so I've got to get that out of the way. But all this extra length for the power for the motors and the power for the lighting. So that's the driver's side, or the driver's side. The passenger side's even worse. You go over here. Look at this. Look at all this extra. What is this? This doesn't even make sense. Why is all this wire here? As much time and energy that they put into making this such a really nice kit, how did this get overlooked? I don't understand this. This is not a thing for different models or different options, because the length from the battery up there down here is going to be the same on every 2014 to 2019 or 2018 Silverado. So why is this here? I mean, this is like, it's not a few inches. This is like feet and feet of extra wiring that I have to figure out what to do with. You know, like obviously the best option, or a option, is just to cut it to length and then solder it back together. But geez, like this doesn't even make sense. This is $2,000 steps. It's very frustrating. Like everything else is super nice. I mean, these are like really nice heavy duty steps, motors, like it's all great, but the wiring, this doesn't make any sense. And they also I don't care for this, is that they don't really give you any provisions to mount the module, the computer. You know, like you just kind of, in the instruction video, they just kind of just set it here, off in the thing by the battery or whatever. But like, I have to figure that out. It's not as big a deal as just all the extra wiring. Like, what is all this? This doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, that's it. That's all I've got. It's just frustrating.